This is Tom with Peace of Mind Property Management. So how do you turn your property management company into a profitable machine? Well, the first is the definition of profit. Okay, profit means you have more revenue than you have expenses, right? So you're either going to have to increase your revenue or you're going to have to decrease your expenses. So unfortunately for most people, this is probably going to mean you're going to have to reduce your expenses because your revenue, the amount of homes you have, is going to stay fairly consistent. So the first thing that I recommend that you do is you really look and see what expenses you can cut. Okay. Now, sometimes if you're a new company, you're not going to have a lot of things that you can cut. Or if you're doing it this yourself, you're not going to have anything you can cut. Okay. Or maybe it's just your own money. So that's the first thing that you need to do is watch your expenses and make sure you're having a profit on it. The second thing you can do, you can add some fees to things. You can also add properties. And I think those are some really good ways to start making you have some money. Now, after you have a profitable property management company, you don't want to be so involved with your company, okay? Because in my opinion, that's not a machine. If you're having to work in it, you're the machine. Your property management company is not the machine. So figure out two things: how to get it profitable, okay? And the second thing is how do you have it run without you? So those are two key things that you always need to be just running through with your mind. Am I profitable? Because if you're not profitable, anybody who works for you, they're at risk of losing their job, just so you know. And same thing with vendors and your owners, right? So you have to get profitable. So get profitable. And the second thing you have to do is, can this thing run without me? And that's usually hiring great people and having some great systems in place. I love to talk property management. Give me a shout if you'd like to talk. Thanks.